Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Valentine's Day makeup look collab, and it's with my friend Bertha here on YouTube. I'll leave her link in the description. Go check out her channel and make sure to subscribe. So first I'm just going in with a neutral shade all over my lid up to my brow bone. Then for my crease, I'm going in with the shade Eden, which is just this peachy shade, and it's from the Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette. Then also in my crease, I'm going in with this red shade called Saffron.
With crimson secrets and forbidden bliss, can't stay still, don't stop that thrill. My bones crave your skin, temptation within, mistakes ignite the silence.
Then I'm going in with this pink shade called Opulent, and it's from the Element of Surprise ColourPop palette, and I'm keeping this mainly on my inner and outer corners, but also blending it in my crease.
Waiting and always hesitating, kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire, set my heart afire.
Then for my lid, I'm going in with this Lemonhead pink glitter. Then I'm just applying mascara and then going on my lower lash line with the same pink Opulent shade. Then I'm going in with my NYX Pastel Pink liquid liner. Then to highlight my brow bone and inner corner, I'm going in with the shade Feels. And I just applied these eyeliner lashes off camera, and then I'm going in with my Chocolate Soleil bronzer from Too Faced. And for blush, I'm going in with the shade Justify My Love. Then for highlight, I'm going in with this pink one from the NYX Mochi collection. Then for lips, I'm going in with the Jouer lip topper in the shade Sweet Tooth.
Set my heart afire. Yeah.
And then to set everything, I'm just using my MAC Fix Plus.